Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about a job notification from University of Allahabad, a central university. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for the various non-teaching positions of the university. The candidates are requested to carefully read the general instructions before filling up the application form. Candidates are also advised to visit the website periodically for further information related to the recruitment process. The application form will be entertained through online mode only. The date of uploading of detailed advertisement and online registration is 24th September. The date of fee payment 24th September 2021, and the last date of online registration and final submission of application form is 23rd October. The application fee for UR, EWS and OBC is 1050 rupees, for SC ST 450 rupees, and for women and PWD only 50 rupees. There are different vacancy positions. You can go through the notification thoroughly for the posts. I will give the link of the notification in the description box of the video. You can see from this notification the name of the post and the total number of posts. So you can follow the notification for general instructions. There is minimum eligibility. You should follow the notification for the minimum eligibility of different posts. So for data entry operator, the candidate should not exceed 30 years, and the qualification, essential qualification, BCA or graduation with PGDCA or BSc in computer science, CS or engineering, IT or BBA in IT from a recognized university, and working knowledge of office assistant tools like MS Office or Open Office, etc. For animal attendant, the candidate should not exceed 35 years, and the candidates the essential qualification for the post is higher secondary with 2 years experience of work in laboratory. For the post of junior office assistant, the candidates shall not exceed 30 years, and essential qualification, graduate with 50% marks from a recognized university having a typing speed of 30 words per minute in English and or 25 words per minute in Hindi typewriting through computer. For laboratory assistant, the candidates shall not exceed 30 years, and the essential qualification, bachelor's degree in relevant subjects physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, psychology, computer science or computer application, defense studies, statistics, home science, etc., and having a typing speed of 30 words per minute in English through computers, and desirable knowledge of computer applications. Laboratory attendant, the candidate shall not exceed 30 years, essential qualification, higher secondary with 2 years of experience of work in laboratory. For library attendant, the candidate shall not exceed 30 years, essential qualification, higher secondary plus diploma or certificate course in library science. For multitasking staff, the candidate shall not exceed 30 years, essential qualification, matriculation or equivalent from a recognized board pass or ITI pass. For pharmacists, the candidate shall not exceed 35 years. The essential qualification, bachelor degree in pharmacy from a recognized institution or 10 plus 2 plus 2 years diploma in pharmacy should be registered with State Pharmacy Council. So for technical assistant, the candidate shall not exceed 35 years. The essential qualification, bachelor degree in electrical electronic engineering, MSc networking, BSc with first class, 60% of marks in concerned subject, IT, computer application, computer science, chemistry, physics, zoology, botany or life science or equivalent in UGC 7 parent skills, 3 years experience in government educational or research institution. And for X-ray technician, the candidate shall not exceed 35 years, and essential qualification, diploma in X-ray technology from a recognized institute with 50% of marks. There will be a examination, a test comprised of 100 multiple choice type questions for group B and group C. The total marks is 200, and the total duration 2 hours. The language of the paper will be English or Hindi or both. Each correct answer will carry 2 marks, and for each wrong answer 0.5 marks will be deducted. So those who are willing to apply for different posts, you should go through the notification thoroughly. I will give the link of the notification and the website link in the description box of the video. You can also subscribe my channel for further job notification and other updates. Thank you.